Good morning, dear students. I'm here to continue the class about, we are learning about the respiration and reproduction in things. Is it right? In living things, respiration and reproduction. So, just we are discussing about the respiration. Is it right? So, in last class, we have learned about the respiration in animals and plants, introduction about the respiration in animals and plants, and also we have started the respiration in animals. Is it right? As we have learnt in human beings and other animals that they have a lungs, they take respiration with the help of the lung. Okay, see, as we have learnt that the man and other animals like tiger, cow, elephant, birds, they have two lungs. Is it right? What we have learnt? Two lungs. The breathing system, with the help of the lungs and the windpipe, they take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So respiration, so which is called as breathing, taking in air and giving out air. Is it right? So and also we have learned that it goes with the blood and helps in the breaking of food, which helps to release energy. What helps to release energy to our body? Okay, today I am going to explain you some other animals respiration, like fishes. If you go about the fishes, I think you know that these fishes swim in the water. Is it right? So the life of these fishes involves in the water and they are called as aquatic animals. Is it right? So how they respire? See, the oxygen present in the water is important for them. So the respiration of these fishes is with the help of the oxygen which is present in the water, which is dissolved in the water. Okay, so how, what is the organ helping them? So the organ called as gills. What? The organ called as gills. So these gills are the respiratory organs of the fishes, which they helping them to respirate, to taking in air and giving out air. So how they will take in? So water itself go into the body and only oxygen is absorbed from the water with the help of the gills, and then waste is again released out with the covering. A gill cover is present which is opening. I think you have seen the openings near the neck. So the water exits from the opening. So this is the respiratory system in fishes. And if you go about the some other animals like frog, if you go about the frogs. Okay, see, frog, when it take birth, a child frog is called as tadpole. So ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ child frog ಗೆ tadpole ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So this tadpole breathe with the help of the gills which is present in their body, as same as like the fishes. So a tadpole body nalli gills irutte. So when it is present inside the water, when it swim inside the water, it respirate with the help of the gills. When it become elder, when it become the frog, it have a pair of lungs in the body of the frog. So the lungs can manage to respirate the respiratory gases. You know, dear students, the frogs are specialized organisms. Why you know? Because they can live both in water as well as on the land. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವು ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವನ್ನ ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್. Okay, dear students, some other important organisms we go like insects. If you go, so number of like butterflies and other insects, I think you have seen, they also respirate. So they also, as like we are respirating, they also need the oxygen. Without oxygen they also can't able to live. So how they will respirate? They have a organ for the respiration called as spiracle. What it is called? Spiracle. So spiracles are helping like cockroaches, insects, grasshoppers, like butterflies. So all these have a spiracles which help them to respirate, which help them to interchange the respiratory gases. Which organ is present? Spiracles. And even earthworm is present in the where it is present in the soil. Is it right? So it has a moist land. Is it right? Moist ನೆಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, dear students, another important aspect which we have to understand. So respiration in plants. So up to here we have learned about the respiration in animals. First we have learned about the human being and other animals, that they have a lungs for respiration. Next we learned about the fishes, they have a gills for the respiration, and about the frog we have learned they have gills as well as the lungs, and about the insects they have a spiracles. Is it right? Now we are going to learn about the plants. So plants also respirate. They also respirate. While respirating, they need to absorb the carbon dioxide and releases the oxygen. It is opposite to the other animals. Okay, animals take in oxygen and they release out carbon dioxide, whereas the plants take in carbon dioxide, release out the oxygen. So they have a respiratory part in the leaf of a plant called as. So in plants they have a part called as stomata in the leaves of a plant. Stomata, right? So the stomata is helping them for the respiration, to respirate, to release the gases, to take in the gases. So this is about the respiration, dear students. So try to understand and read the textbook, and in the next class we are going to start about the reproduction. So up to that, read the textbook, the full content of the respiration in animals and plants, then you do the work what I am sending you. Okay, thank you very much. Take care everyone. Bye.